In this video, you'll learn how to verify your account on Robinhood. This process ensures that your identity is confirmed, allowing you to start investing securely. Follow these steps carefully to complete your account verification successfully. Begin by navigating to the Robinhood website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Robinhood. Once the page loads, you should see the main interface with options for signing in or creating an account. If you are already signed in, proceed to the next step. After signing in, look for a highlighted message indicating that you need to verify your account. This message is usually prominent on the dashboard and may say something like, "You're almost there. Click on this highlighted message to proceed." This action directs you to the verification page where you will provide additional information. Next, you will see an option that says finish creating your account to start investing with as little as $1. Clicking this button will take you to the next step of the verification process. It is essential to complete this step to ensure your account is fully set up. Once you click on that option, you will be prompted to click on finish signing up. This confirmation is necessary to finalize your account creation. After completing this action, the system will begin preparing your account for verification. You will then receive a message saying, "Help us verify your identity." This message indicates that Robinhood needs specific information to confirm your identity legally. It is important to understand that this step is crucial for maintaining the security of your account. Next, you will be required to type in your phone number. Make sure to enter your number accurately, as this will be used for verification purposes. After you input your phone number, check for any prompts or confirmation messages that may appear to ensure you have entered the information correctly. Following this, you will need to provide your location. Type in the necessary details accurately to avoid any issues during the verification process. Once you have entered your location, click on the appropriate option that appears to continue. Then you will see an option that prompts you to select your address. Click on the listed address that corresponds to your location. This step is important as it helps to verify your identity further. After selecting your address, look for the continue button and click on it. This action will finalize the verification process. Wait for a confirmation message to appear, indicating that your account is now being verified. Depending on the volume of requests, this may take some time, so be patient. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.